order to create a vendor payment, you can search for payment journal or under cash management, select payment journal. You could then select the appropriate batch. And at this time, we'll be using the suggest vendor payment function. So the system will suggest any payments that are due as of a specific date and apply the payment to the invoice. I'm going to go to prepare and then suggest vendor payments. The last payment date, it will bring the invoice that are due up to this date. So let's say I want to pay everything that it's open as of August 15th. Then I have this skip exported payments and check other journal batches. Make sure that these fields are enabled. We want to skip the entries that have already been exported. And if there are more than one person working on the payment run, please make sure that the system won't go grab those entries that are already in another batch waiting for payments. I could then select summarize per vendor, or I can disable it. So if you want to see line by line which invoice are being paid, you can leave it disabled. Then you have your posting date, the date that you're actually posting the payment. I'm going to leave so today's date. We have starting document number. This is pre-populated. The new document number per line, you can just leave this enable. You have your balancing account type, which is going to be bank account. If you have multiple bank accounts, you could select a different one from the list. We have only one. And then bank payment type. We are going to select in this example manual check because we are not physically printing the check. We are just recording the payment. Let's say we made like a wire transfer and now we are recording the payment into the system. You have some additional filters that you could use. If the vendor number is blank, it's going to bring up all the entries that are open for this vendor. Or if you want to apply and pay only a specific vendor, then you can just select from the list. Let's say I want to pay only this Imperial Glass vendor. Or you could also use the payment method code filter or a different filter that you can add in here. I have only one line for this vendor, but if you have multiple lines or multiple vendors and you don't want to pay one of them, you could always delete from the payment journal list. So I have my entry, I have my posting date, the vendor information, the amount that I'm going to pay this vendor. It's a manual check, and it's also showing me that this is going to be applied. Applied is select market checked, and it's going to be applied against this vendor invoice. After I review my entry, I can just go ahead and post this payment. So I can go home, select post, and finalize.